Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix we can't create a recovery drive on this PC in Windows 10, 11. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Reagentc /info. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Recovery Partition is available in Disk 0 Partition 3. Type Diskpart. Type List Disk. Type Cell Disk 0. Select Recovery Partition. Type assign letter equal to P. Winre.wim file is located in Windows Re folder. Reagentc /set reimage /path p:/recovery /Windows Re /target c:/Windows. Reagentc /enable. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.